Hello and welcome to a guided meditation. I'm Justin Epstein, author of the top-selling book Super You and minister of the Unity Center of New York City. I invite you to find a comfortable place to meditate in, whether it's on a chair or on a couch. And I invite you to sit upright as is comfortable for your body, and let's just take a nice, long, deep, cleansing breath. And now mentally scan the body, sending the message to every muscle to relax and to let go. Become aware of your feet and just relax your feet. Just mentally give the suggestion, relax, let go. Become aware of your calves, your thighs, and relax. Allow your abdomen and stomach to relax. Relax the muscles in your chest, your arms, your shoulders, your hands. Relax the muscles in your back, the upper, the middle, the lower. Become aware of your neck, relaxing the front, the back, the sides. Relaxing the muscles in your face, your cheeks, your eyes, your forehead, your scalp. Relax and let go. And now just scan your body again and see if there's still some place that needs to let go, and you might want to gently tense and release that part of your body. Relax and let go. And now for the next few minutes, we put the body aside. If it draws our attention, if we have a scratch, if we have an itch and we need to scratch it, go ahead. But we make the intention to just put the body aside now. And we turn our awareness now more inward, and let us focus on the flow of our breathing as it moves in and out of our nasal passages. Just feel the breath like watching the waves rolling in from the ocean into the shore and going back out into the ocean. Just watch your breathing. When your mind wanders, just bring it back to the breathing. Now letting go of watching the breathing. Let's use the power of our imagination. I invite you to imagine your favorite flower. What is your favorite flower? Maybe you don't know the name of it, doesn't matter, but you have an image or an idea in your mind of what that is. Now imagine it blossoming or blooming in your heart. Imagine that flower at the center of your heart. And just blossoming or blooming, whatever the right word is for that, or both. See it opening up. Feel the sun shining on it. Feel that flower basking in the sun, the rays of the sun, radiant in your heart, radiant from your heart. Just radiating forth joy and love. Feel your heart opening like that flower. Radiant, joyful. And now imagine that radiance and feel that radiance throughout your whole body. Imagine that radiance is pouring throughout your whole body. Radiating outward from you. Like your whole body and being is a blossoming flower. Opening up. Radiant. And now, radiate that life, that love, that energy to friends and family, to every soul on the planet, to all of life on the planet, to the animals, the plants, the flowers, all of life. Just radiate, beam that love, beam that joy. Jesus said, let your light shine. So let your flower shine. Let your flower blossom and radiate to all the world. And now let's bring our awareness back to our bodies and back to this room. Wiggling toes and fingers. Opening your eyes, and thank you for joining me for this meditation. And I look forward to seeing you again for another guided meditation. In the meantime, let your flower bloom. Bloom where you're planted. See you next time.